This is Happy going crazy over my pants because I just came home from work and I work at the Humane Society and he can smell the cats on me. Stop! It tickles. Look at you. You smell kitty cats, huh? I can't tell why he's biting my leg. Stop! That tickles. Happy. Stop it. It's crazy. He's gonna do it to my pants too. Yeah, walk away, punk.